AI is quietly creating millionaires while most people scroll past it. The biggest money shift of this decade is already happening. Passive income with AI means using technology to earn money without trading hours for dollars every day. Most Americans feel stuck living paycheck to paycheck with rising rent and constant bills. Many people want extra income, but feel too tired after work to start something new. AI changes this because it works while you sleep. AI can create value faster than humans when used the right way. This video breaks down how regular people use AI to build income streams step by step. You do not need to be a programmer or tech genius to start. You need the right mindset and simple systems. Before we dive in, here are the core ways people build passive income using AI. These include AI content creation businesses. These include AI-powered digital products. These include AI automation services. These include AI-driven investing tools. These include AI-based online assets. Most people believe content creation takes talent and years of effort. This belief stops them from starting. AI now writes scripts, designs images, edits videos, and plans content. The real truth is consistency matters more than talent today. The correct step is to use AI as your production engine. You choose a niche with clear demand and clear monetization. You use AI tools to create videos, blogs, or podcasts at scale. A realistic example is a Faceless YouTube channel earning ad revenue. One person can upload daily using AI scripts and AI voiceovers. Many people think digital products require expert knowledge. This belief fails because people pay for clarity, not genius. AI can research, summarize, and structure information fast. The real truth is simple products solve simple problems. The correct mindset is to focus on one pain point. You can create ebooks, templates, planners, or mini courses using AI. A realistic example is a budgeting planner made with AI prompts. That planner can sell every day with no extra effort. Most people believe services are not passive. This belief is outdated in the AI era. AI allows one person to replace small teams. The real truth is businesses pay to save time. The correct step is to build simple automation systems. These systems handle emails, scheduling, customer support, or data entry. A realistic example is an AI chatbot for small businesses. Once set up, it runs with minimal maintenance. Many people think AI investing is risky or fake. This belief comes from misunderstanding the tools. The real truth is, AI helps with data analysis, not prediction magic. The correct approach is to use AI for research and discipline. AI can track trends, earnings, and portfolio balance. A realistic example is using AI to rebalance long-term investments monthly. This saves time and removes emotional decisions. Most people chase quick money instead of assets. This belief keeps them stuck. The real truth is assets pay you repeatedly. AI helps build websites, apps, and newsletters faster. The correct mindset is long-term ownership. You build once and improve slowly. A realistic example is an AI-written niche blog with affiliate links. Traffic grows and income follows over time. People think freelancing traps you in hourly work. This belief is true without AI. AI allows freelancers to scale output without scaling time. The real truth is systems beat hustle. The correct step is to productize services. You use AI to deliver faster and cheaper. A realistic example is an AI-assisted resume service. One person can handle dozens of clients weekly. Many think teaching requires credentials. This belief stops many smart people. The real truth is experience matters more than titles. AI helps package knowledge cleanly. The correct mindset is to teach what you just learned. A realistic example is an AI-guided course on using ChatGPT for work. This can sell repeatedly on autopilot. Most people struggle with marketing. This belief is common and costly. AI now writes ads, emails, and landing pages. The real truth is testing beats guessing. The correct step is to let AI test variations. A realistic example is an AI-optimized email funnel for a digital product. Once built, it runs with minimal input. People believe more income needs more hours. This belief breaks with AI. The real truth is leverage creates freedom. The correct mindset is to design before you grind. AI handles repetitive thinking tasks. A realistic example is scheduling a month of content in one day. That content earns views and income daily. Many chase tools instead of problems. This belief wastes time and money. The real truth is problems create profit. The correct step is to start simple. A realistic example is choosing one AI tool and one income path. Focus beats speed every time. Passive income with AI is about leverage, not luck. AI rewards those who take action early. You do not need perfection to begin. You need consistency and patience. Small systems grow into real income over time. The biggest risk is waiting too long to start. Money freedom is built quietly with smart systems and steady effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.